What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Mail Time Monday, where I open up stuff you sent me and give you a shout out. So let's get started. I haven't done one of these in a while. Some of these packages I've had for a little while, so we got a handful to go through today. This one is from Amanda Zito. Obviously, I've already opened it. This is probably the coolest handwriting I've ever seen on an envelope. So let me show you what's inside here. You also know her probably better on YouTube as the Magpie Flies. I'll be sure to link her in the description below. Front of it says, "Stay awesome today. Hope you and yours are safe and well. Also hope you can get back to get your bike projects done during this weird time, Amanda." I've gotten a ton of bike projects done here lately. Also included in here, and I'll try to get some close-ups of these. I believe this is something she drew, which is really cool. And then again, I'll get some close-ups of these, but yep, As the Magpie Flies. These are really neat stickers that she's included. These are definitely going to go up on my sticker cabinet. So thank you, Amanda, and we have to get you on the podcast here pretty soon. So next up, this is from RedHorse Garage. I've already contacted him and said thanks. Be sure to check out his YouTube channel and also redhorsegarage.com. It's a really cool coin, and again, I'll get you a close-up of it. But on the one side, it's got RedHorse Garage 2020 Next Gen Run, and on the other side, it's got the state of New Hampshire where he's from. So thank you, Kevin, for sending me this. I got to find a cool place to display it. So we're going to switch gears just a little bit and show you something I ordered, but there's a reason I'm still going to show it to you. So I ordered a t-shirt from Industry 13, and you may have seen Samantha on the channel, I don't know, like a week or so ago from when this is airing. It's got their logo on the back too. Super comfortable t-shirt, and I feel qualified to say that because I literally wore it to hell and back, and it held up just fine. But I feel like I can share that on here because they also threw in a small t-shirt for Noah, which he was really stoked about, and says thank you, by the way. Also threw in a big Industry 13 sticker and then a couple of smaller ones, one of which is on my toolbox right now. And if that video hasn't posted yet, I've got a pretty cool Moto toolbox video coming up soon. So thanks, Amanda and Roman. Next up, he's going to be mad at me because I haven't opened these yet, and I've been talking to him the last couple of weeks since I've had them. This is from my buddy Todd. All right, so inside, man, this is pretty cool. There's a bunch of stuff in here. Not a bunch, but a decent amount. All right, so I'll have to figure out, you just wear these like this? Is that how that works? And it looks like we've got a set of clear lenses here from Arclight Optics. Exceeds U.S. military impact requirements. Now I got to figure out how to open this. I just threw a couple more nose pieces. A few more. All right, so there is a sticker in there from Arclight. Let's take a look at these. Oh, wait. Okay. So we've got these bad boys. I'll tell you what, man, those things are like crystal clear and give it like a pretty cool hue, where everything looks like it's kind of in high def. I don't know how good they look on my face. I'll have to watch it back on camera. And then I guess we have, you know, the clear lens you can put in. You've got customizable nose pieces. We've got, wow, that is crazy to look through. You've got a yellow lens there. I used to have a pair of Oakleys that had yellow lenses. I just found out the other day, apparently Oakley doesn't make those anymore. And then these just look like a very, very light tint. I'm going to give these things a run through. They're definitely cool looking, and I'll read up on the literature and stuff on them. But thanks, Todd, for sending me these. I promise I will wear them. So before we move on to the last few things, for those of you that aren't aware, I'm a huge sunglass fan. Like, I usually have at least 2 pairs in my truck, 2 pairs in my car, a pair in my tank bag, 3 or 4 pairs sitting around the house. Always got sunglasses. So the next thing I'm going to show you is kind of bittersweet. If you watch today's video, you know what I lost on my Iron Butt trip. I lost a GoPro Hero 7. May it rest in peace. So this is its replacement. We're going to upgrade that one to a Hero 8. Obviously, I just got this thing, I think, yesterday. I haven't had a chance to test it out yet. I have used the Hero 8 a little bit and seen the footage. A little bit better than a 7. I don't know that it's remarkably better, but for the price point, might as well go ahead and get the 8. They had $100 off of them. Went ahead, I was going to trade in my Hero 5, but I didn't have to. I got the $100 off either way. So look for upcoming videos. I doubt I'm going to do a review, but see if you guys can tell the difference in videos like a few weeks, month or so from now, to see if the 8 looks any better. And who knows, maybe I will do some sort of review. All right, so before we move on to the last thing, I just want to show these to you guys. Obviously, we have the Two Wheeled Rider podcast now. We always drink whiskey on the podcast. I thought it only fitting that we got a Two Wheeled Rider podcast coasters made up. Right now, they're only available to the people that contribute to the podcast and guests of the podcast, but I have stacks and stacks of these. I may make them available on the website. If I do, it's basically going to be like postage plus a few cents just to cover costs. Not trying to make anything off these, but if you want one, let me know down in the comments and I'll post them on the website. That way you guys can go on there and, you know, order a handful of them or whatever it is you'd like to have. Last but definitely not least, I did order this for myself. Got it off Facebook Marketplace, brand new, in box, has not been used, could not pass up the deal. When my sister and I doubt this video is posted yet, but we did a trip down to the Outer Banks recently, and I was jealous of her helmet. Listen, I love my Arai XD4. It's great as an ADV helmet. It's actually pretty good as a touring helmet, but I've always been a fan of the Shoeis. I have a Shoei, I think it's X14, which is more of a race helmet. Couldn't pass up the deal on that. That was like an $800 helmet I got for $2 something. Again, brand new. But her helmet was just so lightweight and so sleek and so well balanced. I had to get one. So I got myself an RF 1200 in matte black. I really like the finish. I think we need like a Two Wheeled Rider sticker or something back here on the back. We also need a dark smoke shield because that's all I ever ride in. So one of those is on order. Tried this thing on today. It's so nice. So anyway, you guys don't really see my helmet that much in videos because there's normally a camera mounted on there, but looking forward to getting some miles put on this bad boy. So anyway, huge thanks to everyone that sent something in. Greatly appreciated. If for some reason you want to mail me something in the mail, I'm going to put my address here at the bottom of the screen. It's just P.O. Box 64, Bunker Hill, West Virginia, 25413. Be sure to check out Amanda's channel. Again, I'll link that down in the description below. I'll link Kevin's channel down there. Amanda and Roman don't have a channel, but you'll see them popping up on my channel more. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, consider hitting that subscribe button, because if you like motorcycles, well, this is the place to be. If you got any questions about any of this stuff, especially like the Hero 7 or the sunglasses, those sorts of things that I'm going to be using, and it's a few weeks from now and I've had a chance to use them, let me know down in the comment section below. And as always, I'll talk to you again soon.